back, friends. As many of you guys know, all the books I reviewed on my channel are all fiction books. So today, I thought I should change it a little bit. Today I'll be reviewing a book that's actually based on a true story from this girl named Jordan Reeves. This book is called Born Just Right, and I definitely learned so much from this book. Stay tuned to find out more.
Of things we know.
Thanks for tuning back in, everyone. Before I get more into this book, I hope you guys have checked out my previous video of summer reading, because this is one of the books, Born Just Right, is one of the books I had mentioned in that video. And if you haven't checked it out, then please do. Now, this book, Born Just Right, is about a girl named Jordan Reeves who was born with a disability. And in this book, she explains all the challenges she has gone through and what she has done in her life to overcome them. Something I really loved about this book is that every chapter kind of teaches you a lesson. One of the chapters is called Don't Stare, Just Ask. And in this chapter, Jordan tells the readers that everyone always stares at her because of her limb difference. And Jordan shares in this chapter, one day she and her mom were sitting on a bench, and this other family came and sat right across from them while eating some ice cream. And the very disturbing part is that mom and the child kept on staring at Jordan's arm. They didn't even look away one time until they finished their ice cream. That's just so unkind. And that's what Jordan hates. And not only her, but all of us would hate it if someone kept on staring at us like that. And I thought it's really cool that Jordan actually made these t-shirts, and one of them says, "Don't stare, just ask." And I bet people will actually change by seeing them. And this is only one of the chapters, guys. There are so many more lessons that you will learn, and it will definitely stick with you your entire life. Now let's come to the most innovative chapter in this book. First of all, let me say, Jordan just loves glitter so much. And she got a great experience to actually go to this camp called Superhero Cyborgs. There, they actually got to create whatever they wanted. And of course, Jordan, she decided that she wanted to create something that included glitter. And that's when it came in. Project Unicorn. Project Unicorn is actually a prosthetic arm that Jordan created, and it shoots out glitter. And it was such a long process to create this arm, but the good thing is Jordan got the help of her amazing partner, whose name is Sam Hobbish. And they worked together very hard to create this new invention. And I really wanted to share this quote from Jordan, which is, "Some people think disability is a bad word, but for me, it has opened doors to all kinds of new opportunities." And that's 100% true, because Jordan also went to Shark Tank to present her invention to the judges, and she went to TEDx Talks to, share experience with the limb difference. This book is just amazing, and I bet you guys will love it and learn a lot just like I did. If you do get a chance to read this wonderful book, then please let me know what you think of it, and I'll be so glad to hear from you. So, and on another note, I really wanted to mention that I also had the honor of meeting Mrs. Reshma Sojani, who is the CEO and founder of Girls Who Code. And I got invited to this event from the Girls Who Code team, and it was hosted by them. And I got to do an exclusive interview with Mrs. Reshma on NPStation. And if you have not checked out that video, then please do, because there were definitely some very interesting takeaways from Mrs. Reshma Sojani. And if you have any other suggestions for my book reviews, then please let me know. I hope you guys are finding my book reviews very interesting and useful. And don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell. Keep on reading, everyone. Bye!